Yeah, we can put her down in my cruiser. Have a seat.
They said I'm not under arrest, I'm just being detained.
Multiple firearms in the vehicle, we have to figure out what's going on.
I don't know, but he said nothing's gonna happen because I don't know what's going on.
Oh, okay.
We just gotta figure out what's going on.
Yeah.
So just have a seat.
He said that they're gonna just just let me go after they're done doing everything.
Alright, that's my sister. I'm just trying to figure out what's
Should be alright.
Okay.
There's just a lot of guns in the car. We gotta figure out what's going on.
Okay.
Okay.
If you mind kicking your feet in. I'll roll down the window and you can talk there if you want.
My sister can come over here.
Yeah. You're not like an missing person or anything?
No.
Okay. Which one is y'all, your sister?
Me.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay. Where do you guys live?
We live here.
Okay. Well, where does she? Okay. Well, where do you actually
These
stay
people
at?
not with me though.
Sure,
We
sure.
just outside. I live
Okay.
right there.
Go ahead.
How long she gotta stay in here?
We just have to figure out. There's a lot of guns in that car. Like a lot of guns.
And if you don't mind me asking, like, why did y'all have to like look in the car, or y'all just did?
What's that? I don't know
Like,
why they.
what made y'all search that car?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. As you can see, my car is way back here.
Right.
So I was one
I
of the
was
last
just
ones to
asking.
arrive.
I was just asking.
I don't know. I don't know if someone called and said that there were people with guns in the car. I don't know. But
But I don't know, y'all in this car.
What y'all take her for?
did you have traffic for 204?
Yes, she is negative DM Street, negative NCIC.
Got it.
Sando, so what y'all taking?
We need to.
Hey, though, I'm on mom for sure. I'll definitely, hey. I'm on mom. Hey, you go ahead. Hey, I'm your sister.
Going on. I think there's like 5 or 6 guns in the car. I think we're trying to leave right now.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Step back. Hey, bro, why you putting her in handcuffs?
Step back. Because she's under arrest.
For what? My cousin ain't going nowhere. You saw don't see a girl. Stop talking.
Nobody got no gun, bro.
Or what? What you gonna do? What you gonna shoot me? Shoot me. I don't got no gun.
Let's go.
Shoot me.
Everybody go. Get going. Everybody go.
Nigga, you all arrested girls. What you talking about, bro? No, stop touching
Do
me.
you know why she's under arrest?
Why?
Do you know?
Why?
Okay.
Why? Do you know? Do you know?
So,
What you gonna do? What you gonna hit me? What you gonna hit me?
Rich Jalen Walker, where's your names out on your badges? Like,
Mine's right here. Mine's right there.
right, but y'all hit him though. Y'all hit him though.
No, we didn't hire him. Out of vest carrier.
Why are y'all arresting girls? Y'all really killing people. Y'all not even doing
Okay, keep going.
what you talking about. Somebody got shot yesterday. I didn't do
Killed
about it.
they self, bro. They killed that boy, bro.
You're not going back over here.
Yo, and kid
We're not
ass.
free to go over there.
For real, Rich Jalen Walker.
You really look like a buster. Yo, head ass.
No, listen.
Chill.
I actually have a noise complaint. They're like, no. So
Y'all must have get bullied in high school or something. Lame ass.
You think that's the way that looks?
wait, what's your name again? What's your name?
That's got a badge on.
Excuse me, sir. What's your name? Could you touch me? And
Y'all
I
putting
got
up with kids and these people out here dying. Y'all not doing it.
then you.
I
How
just
many
put my
unsolved
hand down.
murders? Why is it 30 y'all? How many unsolved murders is it?
What's your badge number?
Right.
How many unsolved murders is it? Huh?
11, 12.
Hey, how many unsolved murders is it?
I don't know. How many are there?
I mean, you tell me. Hey, y'all want to shoot us? Cops at you?
I don't
They
work
want
it
to
out.
shoot us, bro.
Do I
Don't worry about this petty shit. These people really out here doing it.
You even know what they
Bro, I
got?
don't care about what they got. I know y'all out here doing. These are chilling.
You don't even
Somebody
know
birthday.
that.
Nuts out there. Elbow head. Oh, these officers it is. This is what y'all did when y'all ran Jalen Walker down too, huh? Guns, that's what y'all like to do. Y'all still don't like to do, huh? It's lame, man. Oh, lame as hell.
You just keep looking at your soft. Wondering why
Who
you're
soft? Without that badge, you couldn't show nobody that soft. Y'all only hard because y'all got guns. That's the only reason y'all hard. If y'all ain't had them guns, keep it real, would y'all fight us? Y'all got hey, like, you only hard because you got a you know that, right? You know all these don't shoot.
You know what? Do you know why? Do you know why?
That's the only reason why you hard, bro. You got guns.
You're the kind of kid back in the day when I didn't answer that you would get hurt.
You won't be allowed around here. You won't be allowed around here without that badge.
I grew up here before you were born.
You end up being a police officer.
I grew up here before you
That's
were
the
even
difference
born.
between you. You're a police officer.
That's right, but I was here before you were even
That
born.
don't mean. That don't mean you somebody. You
So you
yo, nugget head.
your car?
These people out here dying. You a regular police officer.
We're allowed to look
No,
at
you don't know me.
We're allowed to
No,
just walk
you're not allowed to talk. What you say my name was?
You
don't know me.
Y'all don't know the rules. What y'all doing? Y'all don't know the
Man, they talk the police just pulled up out the blue for no reason. Y'all know, but y'all didn't even have no reason to pull them over. You feel me? That shit here stuck. We've been here for hours. You feel me? We were sitting here in the car. They were sitting here in the car. The police pulled up for no reason. Pulled out with their guns out, hopped out in somebody's car. No reason. An illegal search. An illegal search, sir. Right or wrong? Hey, sir, it's an illegal search. How is it not? How is it not? They just arrested Frank.
He just did a legal search because nobody was ever in this car and hopped out.
I'm right here in Joy Park. I don't know why, because they was in the
Hey,
car.
don't let
They
him
said they
in
found
there.
whatever they was going to find. I don't know. They were sitting in the car park. We all been in the car park for like an hour, 2 hours. And they just moved up and searched me. You don't know me to say my name, dude. Is you a detective? You a detective? What you detective for what? What's your name?
He's not their friend.
How you know me?
Y'all cool? Wait,
You don't know me.
Wait, I'm sorry, ignore him, y'all. Ignore him. I got a serious question.
I don't do
Y'all know
That's
him
our
outside of
problem.
work?
This is people out here killing people. You worried about me? You feel me?
Wait,
These
so
people out here killing
why?
people. You ain't doing shit about it. You're not solving
But
murder.
you're not
I'm not gonna lie. You're not solving
What
murder.
do I gotta say?
Don't keep
He's
the buck
saying
You're not
everything.
solving murder. Y'all not. What's your name? So I can hear about it. Maisie, Detective Maisie, y'all not solving shit. It's way more. This is way more unsolved murder than solved murder.
Yes, you do need probable cause. Who was the probable cause?
Think that.
Did you have probable cause? The car was court.
Be
Hey,
for real.
hey, you was here first. Stop touching me. You was here first. Did y'all have probable cause?
I wasn't here first.
Yes. You been arguing. I've been talking to you since all these cars came here. Stop lying.
I'm not gonna lie. You know how it is.
What?
Murders that happened this month. That's all.
Like what? I'm not explaining this. So why did y'all take the car? Y'all Right there. Why did they check the car?
I don't have to tell you anything.
Arkin. Y'all don't have probable cause. Y'all pulled up, hopped out, and walked up to a car. Y'all pulled up, hopped out, and walked to a car. What about that girl that got shot?
What about her?
The one in Cleveland.
We don't work Cleveland. We're in Akron. We're not in Cleveland.
He's a chicken chaser. He's one of the chicken chasers. I know that guy. He's a good dude. We're just here to try to email you all day.
Alright, but why you
What? I don't know. This nigga safe. Walking up to the car, knocking on the window, pulling out the car. What's keeping people safe? There's people dying every day. What are y'all really doing? Y'all just killed the innocent. Y'all just killed the innocent. Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that? If you're gonna ask me a question, answer a question. Did you know it was guns in the car? Arkin.
I showed up later.
Arkin. So you knew it was guns in the car? Or I thought so.
If I had a badge on, I would beat y'all.
Oh, he can't fight.
I don't know who the fuck Noon is, bro. Shut up and solve some murders. Detective, solve some murders.
Hey,
shut up. Do your job.
I just got one question.
Do your job.
I seen the officers with a phone.
Oh, you're on
Who had a phone?
Take it. All right, what's up, number? I'm about to sue you.
Wait, I don't got no camera.
So you can record? You allowed to do that?
Yeah, we have body cameras on too. They record. This
Hey, hold
records.
on. When you take my picture, take it like that. Hold on.
bitch. You saying my name.
Hold on. Put me in there. Hold on.
My name, bitch.
Hold on. 'Cause I didn't know y'all could do that.
Why not? You can record.
I'm about to go back that way.
Police car's coming. Where is my phone?
What are y'all doing over this for, though, bro? Y'all doing over here. Y'all out here dying and y'all not doing it. You know that? I got friends who died and y'all ain't out. Y'all not doing shit over here. Y'all worried about you're not solving numbers and numbers. You're not solving. I ain't gonna lie, y'all not solving. 70%. 70. I'm playing 50. 50%. I'm not here doing it, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not here doing it.
Alright, somebody just got shot today though. You feel me? So like,
Y'all ain't solving. You ain't worried about us on our bed.
I'm confused.
Oh, you did? Who?
I got somebody to
A girl shot another girl. Wasn't that hard to solve? Whole Facebook.
How do we be knowing about who did what before y'all? I'm confused.
Because you guys don't say anything.
So y'all been party.
Who the fuck supposed to tell you?
Your job.
Who the fuck supposed to tell you? Who supposed to tell you?
Talking to you.
You shut the fuck up. Talking to
The
you.
only reason why you're talking like that is because I have a badge on, knowing that I can't say nothing back
If
to
you didn't
you.
have a badge, I'd probably be.
You wouldn't. I can guarantee that, man.
Oh, that's a
I can guarantee it.
You'd be surprised.
I put money on it.
Don't put money on it.
Oh, I put money on it.
Exactly. They probably beat. You'd be surprised. You don't got no money on your broke. You're a police officer. Shut your broke. This can't do it anyway. I appreciate
Sprag.
Hey, Roy. This female juvenile, I ain't gonna make it.
Little Noonie.
We're gonna drive around the block, okay? Right? Let's do. We're finding out right now, okay, dear? So it'll be a minute.
Got some spit on you.
Get back.
Hey, everybody go to Techway.
Yeah. Your sister grabbed it.
I can't see. You're good.
Techway. What is?
Yeah, we interrupted Techway. We got everybody out of there.
Go back out to.
Joe, when I'm standing by, waiting for everybody's out the line. I'll be the last one.
Yeah. Yeah, just go out here, go back to Kelly, go south on Kelly. It's on the left, just past, probably make it right here.
There are also two CIPs.
So one of the officers that made the initial stop just wants to talk to you about the people in the car.
Like the people who are sitting in the car?
Yeah.
Hey dear, go ahead, step on when I cuff you. So you're not being charged with anything, okay?
Okay.
But we're just gonna get you home or something.
Okay.
What's your address, like where your guardian lives, your mom or your dad?
She's at work right now. That's why I was at my sister's house.
What's your sister's address?
It's 14. I just know it's this way. I don't know the exact number. The parking lot is there. I got them on StockX.
Where?
StockX.
That's what I was looking for. Never mind. I was gonna say we're gonna take the females home.
Okay.
I don't know whose cuffs these were that were on her.
That was better. Can't do that. And a double oxygen. What's that happening though? You need to stop around with these guys. It's a serious issue. It's a matter of time before. I mean, listen, you go to jail till at least you're filed. There's people out the wrong folk. People out to shoot them. And if you're next to them, you might get shot yourself.
Right? Are you staying on Minson? Or
Yes.
Okay. Your friend is in the back of our car. We're just gonna give you guys a ride back home.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
So please.
Right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice night.
You too.